Did you know your browser can be 10 times smarter with AI? These AI-powered Chrome extensions will save you time, boost productivity, and even make money. Stay till the end, because the last one is an absolute game changer. Let's go! Imagine having an AI assistant for any website, emails, research, coding, or even writing tweets. Features directly integrates ChatGPT into your browser. Use case saves time when researching or responding to emails. If you write anything online, emails, essays, or social media posts, this AI will make you look like a pro. Features AI-powered grammar, spelling, and tone correction. Use case helps avoid embarrassing typos and improves writing clarity. Google is great, but what if you had an AI-powered search engine that gives you summarized answers instead of endless links? Features AI-based search engine that provides direct, fact-checked answers. Use case great for research, saves time by cutting through clutter. Struggling with writing? This AI can rephrase, summarize, and improve your text instantly. Features AI-powered paraphrasing tool for essays, reports, and emails. Use case perfect for content creators, students, and professionals. Ever read a research paper and thought, what does this even mean? Well, this AI deciphers complex papers into simple explanations. Features AI tool that breaks down technical jargon into plain English. Use case great for students, researchers, and professionals in tech, science. Turn any web page into an audiobook. This AI reads articles, PDFs, and emails for you. Features converts text into natural-sounding voice narration. Use case saves time by listening instead of reading. This extension supercharges ChatGPT with extra features like history, dark mode, and even voice input features. Ads must have upgrades to ChatGPT. Use case makes your AI experience smoother, smarter, and more customizable. So, which AI extension is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more AI-powered content. And if you love AI, check out my other video on mind-blowing AI tools you need to try.